Hey, welcome to another episode of 365 Thoughts on Confidence. It's day 103 and we're about to go for a run. Recap where you were 3 years ago and see how far you've come. So this is not the kind of weather we're used to running in, so it's making for an interesting experience. But when there's new scenery to be enjoyed, you got to do it. Not much of a weather day today, but still, change is as good as a holiday. You'd asked me 3 years ago whether I could just run 5 kilometers, let alone 7, 8, 9 or 10 kilometers, I would have said you were joking. But just like today's thought says, you know, you don't really realize the progress you're making until you actually stop and look back and see where you were and where you are now and the difference between the two. I would never have guessed that I could run anything. And sure, I'm still not super fit and I still am not at the level that my husband is, but compared to 3 years ago me, I'm doing damn well. And the thing is, it didn't happen overnight. You know, I didn't just wake up one day and be able to run 3Ks or 5Ks. It took time. Started out with walking actually. My dog died and that's what started us hiking on the hiking trails. And then one day we decided to run the last small portion of one of the hikes, and from then on we started running more and more and more, but it took time. It took time. 3 years ago I was not running. 2 years ago, September, our doggy died, and that's when we started walking. And then from there it's been progressively getting more distances, more frequency, to the point now that my husband runs pretty much every day. I am not so much, but it feels great. I feel more confident in my physical abilities just because I have kept with it, and I keep reminding myself of there was a time when I was younger even, and I couldn't do this. So when it comes to your confidence, whatever it is you're trying to achieve or what you think that you're not making progress in, take a look at yourself 3 years ago. I promise you your confidence will grow from that. Got to be steep stairs. So that's our run. I hope you enjoyed it as much as we do. Always interesting seeing new places. And this, oh, I didn't even tell you. So this is Clevedon in Bristol. This is where my brother and his wife and kids live. And it's lovely, beautiful, quaint English village. Going back to my roots. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel and hit the notifications button. And if you have a friend who feels like she needs to boost her confidence, then consider sharing this video with her. So until tomorrow, have a fantastic day.